Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about what games are on my iPad. You guys will see other stuff too, but I'm mainly going to focus on what games are on my iPad and possibly games you can check out as well. First of all, I'm sure you guys see Warframe. Warframe is on my iPad, but currently it's in closed beta at the time of making this video. I believe I have a whole video on how you can possibly get access to the closed beta. Possibly there will be a card. It's a video on one of my other channels I made about it, but basically, yeah, you can't really download it from the App Store right now, as it were. But let's go over the rest of my games, in which case you should be able to download a version of from the App Store. I say should because Plant vs. Zombies HD. I actually bought that way back when Plant vs. Zombie, one of the first games I ever experienced on the iPad, if not the first, actually. Then we have Warframe Communication. It's not really a game. I don't know why it would put into this folder, but it was for whatever reason, so why not keep it there for now? Actually, no, I'm not going to keep it there. It doesn't belong in this folder, so we're not going to put it in this folder. I'm going to delete that app. Yep, delete. Okay, then we have Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact, I was able to sync my PlayStation account with my mobile account, so now I can access Genshin Impact on any platform because it has cross save or any platform that supports Genshin Impact. So that's cool. We have Jetpack Plus because I had Apple Arcade is a thing, so Jetpack Plus, Jetpack 2, that's Jetpack Joyride 2. Jetpack Plus is Jetpack Joyride 1, but with no ads, no, buy this for X amount. You actually have to go through and earn everything. It's a little, I'll be honest, sometimes it hurts a little because that means I can't just buy the duplication coin thing. Those of you guys that played classic Jetpack Joyride, you know what I'm talking about. Moving on. Hearthstone. Hearthstone is another one of those games that I guess technically it cross save in the sense that I can access my account even on the iPad, so that's cool. Or I can just do it on PC if I rather do it that way. So yeah, there's more than one option. Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is one of those games that it's good on a phone, but it's better, in my opinion, on an iPad. Don't get me wrong, I guess it depends on the size of your phone, but I get the pro to having it on your phone instead of an iPad Pro is that you can just play it anytime because you always have your phone with you. But yeah, let's move on. Cut the rope. Cut the rope. I'm thinking about deleting off here only because Cut the Rope only had the portrait mode, and it's a bit awkward for me to put my 11-inch iPad Pro into landscape mode. So yeah, that's one of the things that sorry, Cut the Rope. You gotta go. I have it on my phone still, so don't weep for Cut the Rope too much. Attack the Light, that Steven Universe game. It's actually very fun, and it's made for mobile, so yeah, works perfectly on mobile, honestly. Epic 7. I haven't played a lot of Epic 7. I downloaded it mostly because of an Amazon thing. And yeah. Unleash the Light, an Apple Arcade thing, Oceanhorn 2. Most people have described Oceanhorn as the closest we have to a Legend of Zelda game on the iPad. Magic the Gathering. Magic the Gathering, like Hearthstone, is one of the games where I can access my full account from the iPad version. So that's always a plus there. Macarena. Macarena is by the makers of Raid Shadow Legends, oddly enough. I've been checking them out every now and then, but not sure. Fruit Ninja Classic, I bought that way back when, not too long after Plants vs. Zombies, because the classic Fruit Ninja version, it was all the rage back in the day. All of the rage. And finally, we have Marvelous Snap, which is a little awkward on the iPad Pro because, again, I have to play in landscape mode because there is no portrait mode, unfortunately, on the mobile version of the game. So, yeah. And those are my games. Those are the games I ended up with by the end of this year. I will probably do another video sometime next year because my game taste on the iPad could totally change. I could have less games. I could have more games. I could have no games. Who knows? But yeah, I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you guys think about this whole thing. Do you guys like seeing my games? What games do you recommend I try on the iPad? Let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.